Hello everyone, I'm Himanshu from Interazzo. We are here at Sterling Villa Grande to showcase our luxury villa interiors. As we enter inside, we have designed for a space with a space for artifacts with a profile lighting and a hanging light with backlit mirror. And we have a couple of tall units with a niche space for artifacts, and these tall units can be used in a multi-purpose way for shoes, helmets, for sport equipments and any other things. In the living area, we have designed a periphery fall ceiling with a space for the curtain where your curtain tracks are hidden, and we have ceiling profile lighting from high back with the downlighters. In the entertainment space, we have designed a base unit with a fluted panel which is treated with Decor. And an aluminium shutter with a rose gold profile and a tinted glass. We have also played with wall trims along with a laminated panel and PVD profiles. Over here we have designed a taller unit for artifacts with spotlights. There was a niche space actually, and we wanted to highlight it. Hence, we have designed it with a 3D wall panel which is treated with again a Decor paint and a laminated panel with PVD profiles, and which is enhanced with a flower vase. For the entrance of the puja room, we have designed a frame with the fluted glass. As we enter inside, we have a base unit with 2 drawers and 3 shutters, and to make it handleless, we have given a cola profile with the quartz countertop. On the wall decor, we have given a fluted panels which are painted with Decor, and a Onkar CNC cut with a backlit, 2 hanging lights from the ceiling. We have also designed a ceiling profile lighting. In the ground floor, we have designed a guest bedroom. At the entry of the guest bedroom, we have floor-to-ceiling C-type Aristo wardrobe with a bone white color and a beige shimmer lacquered glass with champagne C profiles, along with a dressing unit with full big size mirror and a ledge and couple of sockets underneath. We have also designed a TV base unit. We have designed king size cot along with a profile underneath with a quilted headboard and glow panels with Decor paint along with some PVD profiles. We have designed flat fall ceiling along with profile lighting and the downlighters. We have also given a cutout to hide the curtain tracks. As we enter into the kitchen area, we have designed an entrance paneling with teak veneer polished with melamine finish. We have a profile lighting in warm white. Shutters, we have used Euro componenting Glaks finish with the chamfered edges. We have used Caesarstone White as a countertop with the dado tiles, And we have hob from Siemens this time and chimney from Hafele. We have designed wall units with the glass shutters. We have a loft continued in the Glaks finish. In the pantry area, we have given a glass shutter with a tip-on and a tandem box pantry unit, which is from Blum. Here, client has organized the drawers very nicely, and we have a transparent lid on top where you can see the content inside. In the taller unit, we have designed a space for Bosch microwave and an oven. And a drawer system underneath and a openable shutter storage on top. On the other side, we have planned a sink counter with a storage underneath. Along with, we have planned a clear glass shutters, and the same has been continued in the loft as well. We have also planned a space for the fridge, which is in a niche area, and a loft on top. In the kitchen area, we have done a flat false ceiling with the profile lighting and the downlighters with a space for the fan. In the daughter's bedroom, we have kept a theme of lavender palette. We have designed a dressing unit with an arc-shaped full-size mirror along with a base unit with a couple of drawers, a big-size study unit with a writing glass, and a wall unit bookshelf along with the loft. We've also designed a wall with paint and a clock and some butterflies. In the wardrobe area, we have designed soft open and soft close wardrobe from Aristo, continued with the same lavender theme and ivory lacquered glass with bronze mirror and C profile for the shutter. We have designed a king size cot with a remote hydraulic storage with a profile lighting underneath, an ottoman with storage, a quilted headboard with Decor painted fluted panels, textured wallpaper with wall lamps. We have also planned a Pelmet to hide the curtain track and to mount an AC on top of it. Along with a flat false ceiling with profile lighting and twin downlighters. As we enter into the master bedroom, we have designed a floor-to-ceiling Aristo Nova wardrobe, where we have played with bronze mirror along with a frosted bronze mirror and with a champagne profile. In Aristo Nova, we get very thin profile, so the edges are very sleek. On the left, we have a dressing unit with a big size mirror with profile lighting and a ledge and couple of sockets underneath. Over here, we have designed a big size workstation unit, and where we have couple of drawers and a writing glass and a wall unit with a profile lighting underneath. In the master bedroom, we have played with the theme of white and bronze mirror. We have designed a periphery false ceiling with the high back profile lighting and some linear spots. Over here, we have designed a king size cot with a remote hydraulic storage so that you don't have to lift your bed manually to access the storage, along with a quilted headboard. We have also designed an ottoman with storage. We have a bronze mirror on either sides with hanging lights and two tall units which are Decor painted shutters.